Hey everybody, this is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. What happened to the polar vortex? It has moved back to where it normally sits. This is the upper air chart currently. Here's Florida, here's Texas, California, here's Michigan, here's the North Pole. See this circle? Only one or two circles around it? That's the polar vortex. It's weak and it's right up at the North Pole. Let's compare it to what it looked like February 27th of 2014. And here you can see this is the polar vortex. At that point, far south, just north of Michigan, a lot of circulation around it and very strong. So what happened to the polar vortex? It has weakened, retreated, and moved back to where we normally find it, the pole.